Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Something caught my attention and I don't know what I was thinking. It's just so funny, this blank stare.
Get your paper, get your weight up, don't you stress about me. Cause I'ma make it to the top and yeah, you ain't gon' stop me. Bad bitch with my own shit, yeah, don't need no promotion.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nikki. I'm a fashion designer and a beauty, I wouldn't say guru, but hey, I make lip gloss and I do a little body butter. Would that make me a guru? But welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you like my videos. And I know you guys didn't expect to see me back so soon, but I wanted to unbox the ring light because I'm gonna be using it from here on out, and I wanted you guys to see it before I started using it. So this ring light I got from Amazon. I believe it's 19 inches. I gotta get my handy dandy cutter to open it, but yeah, I believe it was 19 inches. I'm gonna correct myself if I'm wrong once I get inside the box. So yeah, I needed a new ring light because the one I had, it made the room like extremely hot. I'm not sure if this is gonna cost the same thing, but it made the room extremely hot from how bright the light was. So here we go. Oh, get it out the box, get it out the box. And I'll rest it right here for now. See what's, if anything else in here, I'll get it out. Okay, so there is something else in here. So I'll just leave this box here for now, and I'll go ahead and I'm gonna also assemble it as well. So let's go, let's get into it. All right, so this is the ring light stand in this little box. Hope you guys can see very well. Oh my goodness, this is hard to get out. This is super hard to get out. So I'm gonna try from the other end. Okay, yeah. So this is the ring light stand in this box, and I'm gonna assemble it because I want to set it up like right away. Okay, so I guess you start by opening it. Okay, there you go. It's almost set up. Okay, so I'll tighten this right there. I hope you guys had a great day. I'm off to a late start recording this video, but I was like, you know what? I need to get this. Actually, I'm not even late. I was gonna start tomorrow. I'm thinking today was Saturday, but I was gonna start tomorrow, and I'm like, you know what? I'll just get a head start. So when I say late, I meant like I started recording this video at 2 and I wanted to start earlier than that. But I'm still early. I'll put that over there for now. I'm still early, but just wanted to start a little earlier in the morning, but that's fine. Okay, so it comes in this bag, and it needs assembling. Hope you guys can see. Storage bag right here. Alright. I don't see a manual as yet. Oh, here's the manual. So let's give it a slight read right here. Okay. If you're anything like me, I hate reading manuals. I just put it together. I just always put it together and it always comes out the right way. So this ring light I got is 580K, and I needed it super bright because I'm gonna do a lot of body butter mixing, and I need the high definition so you guys can see clearly everything that I'm doing. Excuse me. Alright, the lights on, installation of the stand. Yeah, I already figured this out. I'm trying to tell you all how this is in Chinese in the back there. I'm trying to tell y'all the measurement of this thing. I guess I'll have to check on Amazon and I'll leave it in the description below. But other than that, I can't remember what size this is. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste time reading this thing, so let's just assemble. So these are the frost light, I guess. The frost the frost covers, I guess. So I'm just gonna put it up here. Where is it? I hate reading manuals, so I'm just gonna go about it how I usually do, which usually is right. There you go. See that? And then it's just easy to assemble once you get the pieces and put them in place, you'll know how to assemble this. Hope you guys can see it very well. Okay, one more part to it. I'm super hungry, you guys. I had breakfast, but I had a light snack for lunch, but I haven't had anything sturdy since breakfast, so I'm kind of hungry. Okay, so just gonna push this back a little bit up to get it to snap in. Ha! There you go. Mama got a new ring light. I needed a new ring light, like honestly. Okay, so these are the power adapters. This is the camera installations to hold your phone. I'm not gonna really do that right now, but I'm gonna install the power so I can turn it on to see how bright it gets. So you guys can see how bright it gets. I think it has like a UK plug and a US plug. So the US plug will have the regular wall plug right here, and I think this is the UK plug or Australia plug. It's different, so I think that's what that is, if I'm correct, if I remember, if my memory serves me correctly. Yeah, so I'm going to plug this in, and I'm gonna plug it into the plug below right now so you can see. I'm doing like 2 videos in one day. I'm on a roll, hunty. Alright, so that's plugged in. Let me see if anything else needs to be done. Turn it on. Ooh. And we got light. Now, this isn't like the, hopefully you guys can see without it being a nuisance, but this isn't the lighting that I like to have. It's still a little bit dull, like yellow on the yellow side. So I guess you can adjust it. That's 100% right there. You can adjust the brightness. Put this button here. Get closer. As it comes a little bit more. I might just need to use the manual to see what the description here is. But yeah, guys, this is my new ring light. Like I said, I really need a new ring light, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this on because I don't like that frosty tone that it gives. So, and this is the phone holder. We'll put 2 in here. Let's see which one it goes with. I don't like to use the manuals, but it's pretty straightforward to get it. Right there. Pretty straightforward. And we're done. So you guys, if you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe. I'm so happy to start doing YouTube again. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I have in store. Super excited. So yeah, this is your girl Nikki, Barely Naked Beauty. I'm sub-branding. If you missed the first video, I'm gonna leave a box right here. Just click it to check out my last video and you'll see all the unboxing that I did earlier. And thank you. Bye.
Never asked you for nothing. You bitches always frontin'. I'ma hit you up because I'm fiending.